So here we are, it's day 3, first real video that I've taken with my good camera. There's the side of the property. It's not going to get too dug up. It's a truck on Highway 78. The entrance gate's right there. I'm standing right where they're going to build the house. I'm right about where the kitchen would be. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little flag right there somewhere. I can't see it in the camera, but it's because it's brighter. I think it's in the center of the frame right there. Yeah, there it is. That's the southwest corner of the 100-foot by 48-foot building. And so the southeast corner would be right down there. That's the 100-foot mark. Again, that's somewhere down there. Hard to see because it's so bright. And I am on what would be the first floor of the house, and then down here in front of me, that is where the basement, the walkout basement will be. And the septic system will go right over there. The backyard will go all the way to the neighbor's fence there, behind that big piece of equipment, along that tree line. My mother's house is going to go right over there in the corner. That's going to be lowered probably another 2 feet, along with the rest of this whole back area. And then a lot of the soil that I'm standing on was brought up from that crater back there. Now, it looks like it would be just an enormous pond, but most of that black area that you're seeing would actually be covered in grass, and the pond would be about half of the size of that cutout. So work is progressing. Tomorrow should be the last day, and I'll come out and do what it looks like after everything's said and done and we're ready to start construction.